Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a planet-sized cosmic giant using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to go to the Pippit AI website, and then you're going to sign in to claim your free credits. And then you're going to go to the home menu and add your prompt here. This is the prompt I'm going to use. And I'm going to upload my photo. I'm going to choose a random photo from my device. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to choose this photo. And then I'm going to submit the photo and also the prompt to AI. And hold on. Right, done. And these are the results. Oh, that's so cool. And I'm going to choose one of them. I'm going to choose this one. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download option. If you want to regenerate, click on regenerate button right here. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn yourself into a planet-sized cosmic giant using Pippit AI for free. If you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description, and then you can try to make any photo or any video as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.